Minecraft family channel. Today I have an unboxing and this is Tyra. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do click the bell below for notification of when I post my videos. And for those new subscribers and old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I'm so happy. I see that the channel is growing and I hope that you like my ideas and so on. If you have anything you want to have shown, ideas for my channel and so on, comment below, and I'm very open for taking in new ideas and doing new stuff. So, but let's get to the unboxing. This is the second unboxing of this store I found on Alibaba. It's the soft linen canvas. It's the velvet one, and it's a tarpaulin canvas, I think. I'm going to do a video where I take all these canvases and compare them and talk about my pros and cons for them. So let's get into it and look at this one. So as you can see, this is a Van Gogh one, I think. Sunflowers, I think it's called, I can't remember. But it's a 40x50, a yellow one, so there's going to be a lot of yellow pearls in here. But let's open it and take it out. One of the perks about getting these canvases the way I order them from Alibaba is that they come really nicely packed. They're not banged up or smashed or anything, and that's because they are with the freight companies instead of the Chinese cheap way. These are shipped by a courier. So here we have the drills. As you can see, these ones are round. We have a toolkit. I'm just going to let it lie there for a while just to let it relax a bit. And yeah, a normal tool kit with I think it's a 9 or 7 placer. Yeah, so looks good. But let's just let the canvas relax, and as you can see, this is a soft linen canvas, or I think it's a tarpaulin canvas, because I don't know if you can get it, but there's a lot of shine to it. The finish on it is really good. And again, my own logo. Yay, Minecraft, or the family logo. So let's try and lay this down. I can see there's not many colors in this one, but that's not so much of a surprise. One commented on my last video, I think it was Kathleen, who commented that if it was the opaque covering, and yes, this is the opaque covering, as you can see. It's the two-sided tape, and I don't have a problem with it, to be quite honest. I like both of them. These ones I like because I think that the drills are sticking really nicely to them. They don't pop off as easily as they do on some of the poured canvases. Diamond Art Clubs, for instance, they're really, really good. I don't see any of the drills popping off those. But I have seen some of those who comes from AliExpress. I think some of those are a bit thin in their pouring, and so it makes the drills pop up a bit easier. But there's pros and cons to everybody, or every of them. But anyway, let's just turn this over, because just to show that with these canvases we haven't got any puckers or anything. They are just perfect, and I think this is due to that they are really loosely rolled into the packaging, and they are transported the way they are. The shipping times on these are also really, really close, so it's only been 10 days from when I ordered till the ship and till it arrived. So So they've been really, really good. But let's just let it rest for a while. Perhaps we should just here look at the drills. I am going to do inventory at the end of the video, and you can join me if you want to. I'm going to play some music, or you can stop after I have taken off the canvas cover, and so you don't have to hang on for those. So let's just count the numbers of drills, and again I'm really bad at it, so I'm counting on Danish. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 colors, which I think is pretty good for this. First of all, for the amount of colors that you see on this painting, and for the size of the painting. So I'm really pleased. And again, we can just take out, this is one of the bigger ones. It is a bit more rich orange than, it's more cold on this on the video, I can see, but it's more rich orange, and the drills looks really good. I can't see if how and when. I just need to see the cut on it, but I don't think. I think these are the normal ones. They're not the exclusive 26 cut drills, as far as I can see. So no, but they look really good, and they don't have any issues with extras on and so on. So let's put those aside. I think that the canvas now has laid for a while, and as you can see, it is almost flat now. So even though it has the double adhesive tape, it's still acting like a soft lint canvas will do. So let's try and take off. You can't see everything, so that's no issue. So let's try and lift this away and see how it looks. So they have support wheels on their on the canvas. So I'm just pulling a lot. Oh, there's a lot of shine on it. So I'm just pulling as far back as I dare for you to see most of it. So here I think, oh, it's going to look beautiful, huh? Let's see if I can get a bit more off here, so we can see the base of the vase. It's not easy. So, but as I said, no rivers, no anything in it. It looks really, really nice. And let's see if I can zoom you in. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to lift you up then and take you down here. One moment. So here you can see I don't know if it's going to zoom in. As you can see, there's a lot of sparkle in it. Just going to zoom out again and see if we can get it into. Yeah, now you can see just the edge of it, how it looks. And we can just take a look at the symbols. Really nice, simple symbols. There's nothing fancy about it. There's no weird symbols. There are these two. This one, which is an @ symbol, and then there's this one, which is in Danish we call it a garden gate. A garden gate, I don't know why, but I can't remember what it's called in English. But this is the @ symbol, and this is the garden gate. So just remember, garden gate. That's what we call it on Danish. But otherwise it looks really good. No, nothing major in it. And the thumbnail looks good. There's only one thumbnail on it, and only one shot, but with the size I don't have an issue with it. So yeah, it looks good. So I'm just going to fold it back. Put you down, fold this back. Let's see how much I got here. That was easy. And now it's completely flat. Nice, really nice. Really, really happy about these canvases. I think they're a really good buy. So let's take out the drills, put them here, and then I'm going to do inventory. Hang on, you have to find a pencil. From now on you're going to hear music, and then I'm coming on in the end of the video. And for you who has been watching up to now and don't want to see it, bye for now. Happy diamond painting. See you in my next video. And for you hanging on, see you afterwards. Hi, and I'm back again, and everything is accounted for. I wasn't missing any drills. It's nice quality. I am so happy about this order. This is also some smaller paintings that you can do and doesn't take too long to do, so really love it. Happy to have them in my collection of diamond paintings. So yeah, thanks for watching. There's links below for the store, and if you want to know how to order, please go to Orchids channel. She's made a video about it, and she So and it's really good, so you could use that for as a guide. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.